The Microsoft Teams is a collaboration application that can be used to keep communication centralized within your school or your company. But if you're wondering how you can change time intervals while scheduling a meeting, follow the steps in this video. So first, launch Microsoft Teams on your device and sign in with your account. Then, click the Calendar tab and create a new meeting. Now the default time interval is 30 minutes in scheduling a meeting. However, you can highlight it, and you can manually enter the time according to your own needs. Additionally, you can also change the time scale in the Outlook application. All you have to do is open the Outlook application on your device and then select the View tab. Then, select this time scale, and you can change the time intervals of your meeting every 15 minutes. With that, you can now custom time intervals when scheduling a meeting in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.